Hi everyone, myself Ankita Chakraborty. Let's know about different moods of nature. The clock struck 5 in the dusk. I paced towards my balcony and saw the sky was partially masked by the clouds. I felt the cool breeze which made my hair tangled, and then I gazed at my bangle, which made tingling sounds. And I realized that tranquility which nature gifts us is priceless. I looked at the tender leaves which seemed motionless suddenly, and that cool breeze which amazed me a minute before paused for a while. To my dismay, I heard thunder growling in the sky, followed by a gush of strong winds. I spotted two different scenarios standing still in the balcony. The first one, where I felt the serenity of the nature, the comforting beauty, and enchanting fragrance of the flowers. And in the second one, I viewed the lightning and the thunder, which emphasizes the offended version of nature. Similarly, in human beings and other living creatures with consciousness, there are times when we are humble and sweet-versed with others. But sometimes we too be enraged and shout out loud to take out all frustration and anger. Sometimes timidity makes us shout out loud too. Around 5:30 p.m., it started drizzling. Then it began to rain cats and dogs. My mother instructed me to close the windows. The raindrops intrigued me to think that it's a way to show us that nature can sing too in its own way. And these thoughts completely intertwined me with nature. I realized that our beautiful nature shows us different ways of living, so we need to protect her at any expense. Thank you for lending me your precious time.